Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in my kitchen I've made super delicious full chicken fry. It's easy yet delicious. If you like the recipe, you can support my channel by pressing the subscribe and like button and press the bell icon for further notification. Let's start. For marination, you need 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder and 1½ teaspoon of fennel powder, that is perujeeragam powder, and 1½ teaspoon of corn flour and 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 medium size lemon juice, and add 2 teaspoon of oil. Add salt to taste. Then mix this well. Marinade look thick, so add little water and make a smooth paste. Check the consistency. It is smooth but not thick or watery. I have taken 1.4 kg of chicken and cut the chicken in center so that it will cook well inside and out, and give a deep cut all over the chicken. Apply and massage the marinade all over the chicken. Cover it and keep it in a refrigerator for 2 hours or overnight. Overnight is always best. In a kadai, add oil for frying. After 2 hours, I have taken it out of the refrigerator. And keep the flame in high. When oil becomes hot, reduce the flame to low. Then add full chicken, but be careful while adding the chicken, because we added whole chicken to fry. So close the lid so that it cooks fast and evenly, but don't completely close the lid, leave little gap. Cook it for 10 to 12 minutes in low flame or medium low flame. Turn the chicken and cook it for 10 minutes. Now no need to close the lid, but be careful, the cooking time is always differs according to the size of the chicken. But don't fry it for too long, then it will become very hard and you will not get that exact taste. To make a special masala for the chicken, you need 20 pieces of shallot, that is cheriya ulli. In cup measurement, it is 1½ cup of shallots you need, and 5 green chilli and 9 dry red chilli and few curry leaves and 9 big garlic cloves. And the main ingredients here, I am adding 3 tablespoons of tamarind extract. This gives a good tangy flavor to this chicken. And crush it in a mixer. Use the pulse mode. In a kadai, add oil. You can add sunflower oil or coconut oil, it's your choice. And add 2 inches of ginger, sliced long and thin, and add few curry leaves with it and saute it for a minute. After that, add the special masala and cook it till the raw smell leaves. Add salt to taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. This is for color. I'm not adding any artificial color for this. Now check the taste. If needed, you add tamarind extract. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of tamarind extract. Cook it for a minute. Then add whole fried chicken and apply masala all over the chicken. This masala has a right amount of tangy flavor and chilies gives that spicy touch. So this masala is loaded with flavors. And at the end add 1 small onion chopped long and thin. Having a bit of raw onion gives that additional flavor to this dish. If you like the recipes I'm sharing, you can support me by pressing subscribe and like button and press the bell icon for further notification. And thanks for watching.